Hi, welcome to my Bio 101 portfolio. I'm Derek Anderson. Thanks for being with me. This portfolio in this medium, I will show you the concepts, skills, and connections through the lens of science, general biology, and environmental biology. This is the tree pressing assignment. I believe this follows the science concepts because I gathered a specimen here and made an analysis based on observations that I made at the site. This is the media assignment where I took a picture of a place that I've been and used the observations to make a prediction about what will happen in the future. Here for this lab assignment, I traveled to a place that I've never been before, which I believe is part of scientific discovery and exploration, and made an effort to find a space where I could operate. Here for this lab safety checklist, I believe this demonstrates an effort to develop long-term habits and practices for safe scientific operation. Obviously, note-taking is one of the very first tasks that I performed for this course, and I believe it fulfills the note-taking description for science skills. This is a piece that I generated about elephant knees in Southern California. It's a state park. I had found information about it on a popular hiking forum. While it's not a published piece of information, I found a lot of links to credible sources there, and I believe that this is something that fulfills the science in the news category for science connections. Here a pond food web is described, and a closer sample underneath a microscope reveals multiple organisms, and my diagram, I believe, helps define cellular biology. Here a rose gall is examined, and I put pen to paper and drew a diagram of the structure of the rose gall and further defined the properties of an organism. The quadrat media assignment, I believe, demonstrated my ability to work with qualitative data. I believe this assignment also represents my ability to work with qualitative data. The observed changes in nature is an interaction that I had with my local environment, so I believe that this can count in something under like garden science. Additionally, the prep for my local observations for a field work assignment can count under the same subset for garden science. The 8B media assignment heavily engaged me in terms of understanding more about climate change, which is an environmental biology concept. Again, using assignment 9A, I can evaluate the human impact that a certain area of land will experience over time. This is my field kit, and with all of its contents, I believe I am prepared for effective field work. This was a fun one. Preparing to or outlining the steps for caring for earthworms, I believe, will prepare me to take care of organisms that are more complex in the future. This video, for those who are interested, you can find it on YouTube. And Instructor Mark Lavery will know that in this video I talked about the experience of visiting the Umatilla National Forest. And finally, my biology bucket list. This is just an instance where I can journal about a biological experience that I would like to have in the future. Thank you to everyone who's been involved with my bioeducation thus far, and I'm ready for the next adventure.